7352 20th Avenue Northwest. This is a camera inspection from a clean out in the basement. This is a shared line. We're currently sitting down in the city main in the middle of 20th. As we pull back, we're going to be pulling back through 6-inch SDR 35 here. This was a repair the city did on their city main. Apparently it broke a couple years back and the city actually came out and repaired it. Alright, so this, I'm going to zero out my footage count so we can get a proper count of the liner footage needed. Now we are in 6-inch diameter concrete pipe. Alright, I was just trying to rinse off the lens there. I'm going to continue pulling back. We are now at 3 feet in. Here you can see a pretty good shot of the erosion line down the middle of the pipe, and the water does clear up a couple of feet. See the exposed aggregate on the left and right hand side that's going down the middle center of the pipe.
Yeah, plus or minus.
I think we're at 67. So 67 feet of 6-inch liner needed. I'm going to zero the footage count out back here at the beginning of the 4-inch to get a proper. Tell me you're going to not do it again. Not again.
Not getting zero.
I did this once before, so I'm just going to have to do math.
6710.
Coming back to the 4-inch. Yeah, 67. This is the customer's independent line. That point that we just pulled back from where I was trying to zero out the footage, that is the beginning of the shared line. Nice big root wall here, right where the line leaves the house. This is the back side of the turn. And there's all these roots coming into the back side of what used to be a concrete pipe.
So you're what, maybe 3 or 4 feet from the stem wall?
67 to 91 is your line.
30.
Alright, then we're going to pull up on out of here. There's our access point. I'm going to end the recording there.